Big news today, gentlemen, great news, and that is Chevy has indeed confirmed the Silverado 1500 ZR2. I'm very excited, to say the least. So you guys know, obviously, I have a Colorado ZR2, and prior to that, I had an S10 ZR2, even though that vehicle was completely trash. Regardless though, the Silverado 1500 ZR2 will be my next truck and the next build on the channel. The video this week was supposed to be me attempting to wrap my Colorado, first time ever doing a vinyl wrap, haven't done it, don't know if it's gonna work out. But however, Amazon shipped me the wrong color. I ordered a sample color, they sent it to me, I looked at it and I was like, ooh, I like this, that's nice. So I ordered 100 feet of it to be sure I have enough, because I'm gonna mess it up, I'm sure. And you know what? They sent the wrong color. So I gotta send that back, they're sending another roll. Hopefully they send the right one this time, I don't know, there's a chance they could send the same one again. Let's hope not. I love the thing, I really do. I've done a good bit of mods to it, it's got an exhaust on it. It sounds as good as it could be for a 4-cylinder diesel. Runs great, custom built headlights, shock skids, tie rod sleeves, a diff drop, a 1-inch level, method race wheels, 33s, etc., etc. Love the truck. Super excited to build the bigger brother version of it, basically. Am I getting rid of the Colorado? No. But I will be getting the Silverado ZR2. So I'd imagine most of my viewers here are into the Colorado content, not the E36 content based on views. So hopefully this will pique your interest. Now, other than confirm that they're basically going to make one, Chevy really didn't do anything else. They put out a little video, as you saw in the beginning of my video. It doesn't really show anything other than confirming that it is going to be a ZR2. Now, we all knew they were going to make one. We just didn't know if it was going to be a ZRX or a ZR2, or what they're going to call it exactly. It was a smart choice, in my opinion, to go with the ZR2 name. It has a heritage of being a good off-road truck. It's not a Z71, which is basically you're paying an extra however much money for a few stickers, shocks that suck, and like a skid plate. Like the Z71, it's nothing. It's an appearance package. The ZR2 is not an appearance package. By the way, welcome to my office. It's been a work in progress. A lot more work to go, but this is where I get my work done. Chevy said, celebrating those who love mud, tune in this fall to see what's new from #Silverado. So is it gonna be released this fall, or are you gonna be able to buy it this fall? Don't know, Chevy doesn't say. You'll have to stay ZR tuned for that. So to go back, Chevy has the Silverado, the Z71, and the Z71 Trail Boss. Trail Boss had a 2-inch lift, 33s. It's a little nicer. Z71, as I said, is just an appearance package. The ZR2 is going to slot above that. Is it going to be a Raptor or a TRX competitor? Absolutely not. I think there's 0% chance of that. It's going to be the Colorado ZR2, but bigger. You're going to have a slight lift. You're going to have slightly bigger tires. You're going to have probably the DSSV multimatic shocks. You're going to have locking electronic discs front and rear. Slightly different appearance, bumpers, wheels, tires, that stuff. Nothing crazy. It's not going to be wide body. The suspension will have a little more travel, but it's not going to be like a Raptor, unfortunately. That was my thought all along. Chevy could shock me, but based on all the spy footage and video that's been captured, you can basically tell it's not wide body. Count on a bigger size Colorado ZR2, which is fine. What do you think? You want a new truck? You want a bigger truck, not enough room. Looking at the spy pictures and the spy videos, you can clearly tell it's not wide body. Like, unless GM is just completely pulling a fast one, which I'm sure they're not. Definitely more of a Ram Rebel or F-150 Tremor competitor than a Raptor or TRX. Which, I mean, it's disappointing for me, but it's still going to do great off-road. It's just not going to be that long travel, you know, desert jumping kind of thing, which I really wish it was. I mean, I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen spy pictures and videos. It just looks like a beefed up Trail Boss. But the best part, for me at least, is going to be the electronic locking diffs, the new design front and rear end, and the best part will be the new interior if they don't mess it up. So it's going to be an improvement over the Colorado, mainly for the fact that it's going to be basically new. If you guys didn't know, Chevy is doing a mid-cycle refresh for the 2022 model year in the Silverado. Nothing's exactly confirmed, but they are doing that. So it's going to get a pretty new interior. I wouldn't expect a complete overhaul, but I would imagine that the dash, the center console, maybe the door panels will be new. It's gonna have a much bigger screen and all that good stuff, which is good because the 2021 Silverado's interior is absolute garbage. It's terrible. Like, look at it compared to the Ram, and look at it compared to the new F-150. Like, it's absolute garbage. Doesn't compete in any way, shape, or form. Engine options, you're gonna be able to get the 5.3 and the 10-speed, and the 6.2 and the 10-speed. Maybe the 3.0 diesel, not sure. I would love, so like my dream truck was a Silverado 1500 ZR2 with the 3.0 turbo diesel. If Chevy made it a wide body, and if companies out there offered tuning and performance parts for the diesel. Obviously, no one makes any kind of tuning whatsoever for the 3.0 inline six. It has such potential, and I just, I can't leave things stock. So probably not gonna get the diesel, probably gonna lean more towards the 6.2. I'm definitely not getting the 5.3. Like, I wanna have the better engine, and I'm gonna get this truck as loaded as I can. I want basically every option and everything, because I want to spec this truck exactly how I want it. I'll still have the Colorado, so I'll still have a diesel on the channel, and then eventually I do want to get back into a 2500 Duramax. That will probably be the 2023 model year whenever they put the new interior into the HDs. That is my plan at this moment. So what I'm hoping is I want to be one of the first ones. I'm going to place my order, spec it exactly how I want it, which I've never done on a vehicle, and just have it ready to go. While it may not be a true Raptor competitor, we're going to try to make it one. Fiberworks and some other companies make wide body front fenders and wide body bedsides for the current Silverado, so I'm hoping they'll have them for the ZR2 when it's brought out and do a proper long travel on it. If that stuff isn't available for a while, we can turn the Colorado into a little bit more of a build. I wouldn't really call my truck a build right now. I have put a lot of parts and time and money into that truck, but it's nothing crazy. It's still like a very nice OEM plus truck, which is what I was going for. I have two trucks. I'm thinking one of them is definitely going to get a long travel kit, probably Baja Designs. They're tried, they're proven, they work really well. You get the extra long travel, you get all that. I'm gonna pair it with some nice shocks, so let me know your thoughts on which truck I should long travel. Should it be the new Silverado ZR2, or should it be the old diesel Colorado ZR2? Don't know yet, it all just depends, but I can't wait for this truck to come out. I can't wait for Chevy to debut it. Hopefully it's like within a month or so that they come out with all the pictures and the videos, or at least pictures of it. A lot of times they'll release pictures but no specs. But I'm very, very excited. I hope you guys are too. That is the next build on the channel truck-wise. I still have the E30 to build. Probably gonna get around to that pretty soon. Thanks for watching this one, guys. Hope you're excited for the new build. We'll see you in an upcoming video.